single minds think alike. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another advice talk. So this advice talk is going to be about how to enjoy being single. So the first thing I have written down is pamper yourself. Put on that wig, put on that makeup, make yourself feel good, make yourself look good. Pampering yourself is a must when you're single. It not only helps you with your physical, like your outside body, it also helps you with your mental. It helps you feel better spiritually and all of that, because like, who want to sit around in a muumuu all day, be ugly all day and be down? It puts you in a bad depression. It just make you feel so horrible about yourself. Trust me, I've been there. Right now I'm single, right? And me putting on my makeup and doing my hair really nice just to do this video got me feeling good. Like, you know, I was feeling down and ugly all day, and I said, no, let me get up and do a video to help some people out there, because a lot of people need help. Another thing I have written down is try to reach your goals. You know, take a board. I have a board in my room, like a board that I write on. It's like an eraser board. Get a board from the 99-cent store, Walmart, wherever. You can even order it on Amazon, and jot down some things that you want done in the week. And have a goal. By the end of this week, I will have 3 videos out. I want to be a YouTuber, right? And what's stopping me? No one. I'm the only excuse. I am the excuse. So lately I've been thinking this way. I write down, there is no excuse. No matter your living situation, no matter what it is, you can get up and you can do a video if you want to be a YouTuber. You can get up and do whatever it is that you want to do. You want to succeed in school, you can do that. You just put your mind to it and you will do it. When you're single, you reach more goals. Now, don't get me wrong, I know when you're in a relationship, it's 2 minds thinking alike. That's beautiful and all, and you could get a lot of goals going and faster. But when you're single, you're not distracted, because when you're in a relationship, and a bad one at that, you can be distracted so easily, and I am one of them. I am easily distracted by friends, relationship, family, anyone that just interfere with me. I put my all into them and I forget about me and my goals and my dreams. So try to work on your goals, try to work on your dreams. Every week, jot down the things that you want done, and I promise you, you'll be at a better stage in your life, enjoying your single life, you know. Hello.
Oh, period. Everything shows great in your face.
Y'all, that was my sister. She's always putting me in a good spirit, and I love her so much. We don't live together. She live in Canada and I live out here. She always boosts me up, and that's another thing. Your surroundings is another thing when you're single. I have a lot of friends that are in relationships, and when I'm around them, I start to get like, not jealous or nothing, but it just starts to remind me of the days when I used to have men that liked me or loved me for whatever reason. I don't want to get emotional, but sometimes when you're around the wrong people, you start to reminisce or whatever, and you gotta get yourself out of those surroundings. I would say get yourself around people that is single, because single minds think alike. I don't know where I'm going with this, but if you agree, please comment down below. The next thing I had written down is go to the gym, guys. Go to the gym. Even if you skinny mini, your body's perfect, still go to the gym, okay? It gets your blood going. It gets this vibe about you. It just makes you feel so much better about yourself. When I go to the gym and I walk out of there, that air hit me. I'm like, I'm a new woman. Nobody can't tell me nothing. No man can't stop me in the street. No friend, no family member can't tell me nothing. I just feel great. I look great. All of a sudden I want to eat better. I just want to live this better life, and it's a lifestyle, guys. The next thing I have written down is becoming your own boss. Find something you love to do and make it your priority to become your own boss. You'll enjoy being single even more. You'll enjoy something else and not someone else. You'll enjoy having like something to look forward to. If you want to sell lashes, if you want to sell boxers, you want to sell clothes, anything like that, you'll just have your mind off of other people. Becoming your own boss elevates you in life. It make the people that did you wrong look at you like, wow, she's a boss now. Wow, this is who I used to be with. Wow, this is who I could have been with. It just make that person reminisce you and think of you more, even though that's not the goal. But it just make you have a good look on yourself, because especially as a Black African American person, you should have a goal. Your mindset should be goal orientated. Controlling your money, you are doing things for you and not no one else, and you'll enjoy life so much better, especially when you're single. The next thing I have written down is spend more time with yourself. Realize what to focus on and what not to focus on. Lately, I spend so much time with myself. No one can tell me different. Like, my friends be like, come outside, let's go hang out with this people, let's go hang out with that people. I'm like, not today. Not today. Today is my day. I just want to sit at home. I just want to think. I want to breathe. I want to be able to move around how I want to move around, not with like hanging out at parties where alcohol is involved, where the alcohol control my body, my mind, my soul. I want to just sit at home, even if it's to just lay there all day and just be on your computer all day. It's enjoying a single life. You are taking control of your life by being alone. Being alone is so beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Like, a lot of people like to go out to eat and stuff like that by themselves. I don't know how they do it, but I am learning that I need to do that. And one day I am gonna go out to eat by myself. Little by little, like, I've been thinking more and more about it. I think that it's going to elevate my single life even more the moment I go sit down at a restaurant by myself. The moment I think of going to a bar, maybe not a bar, but a restaurant or anything like that, to just sit down and eat alone. I saw a quote on Instagram that says you must really love your life if you can sit there and eat by yourself at a restaurant. I saw a quote like that, and I was like, I need to try it. Especially when you're single, you need to try it. Go ahead and give it a shot. Let me know how it go for you. And if you are one of those that sit at restaurants by yourself all day long, let me know how it go. Just give me some motivation to go do it. And how does it feel when you do it? Train your brain. Start reading more. Start praying more. Hold on to your faith. Okay, if you believe in God, I will hope you believe in God, because my God is greater. Okay, my God is so great. He has done so many things for me. Me waking up today to do this video today, to motivate some people out there today, is because I prayed about it, and I had a dream like, girl, you need to get up and get behind that camera that you bought for all that money and motivate someone. Stop doing the vlogs for a second and start motivating someone. And that's why I'm doing it today. So reading more, finding yourself. The more you stay alone and you start to learn how to be happy, you start finding things about yourself. You start realizing all of these great powers you have, and you are so worthy. You are so much bigger than that person that hurt you, the reason why you're single today. You know, find your happiness before getting attached to someone. A lot of people, after a breakup, they would get into another relationship right away. It's either a dude you was texting or this whole time, or the person you cheated with the person with, or whatever the case may be. You can find happiness first. You know, try finding happiness first, because jumping into another relationship is not going to solve anything. It's really not. It's only going to put more pressure on your life by involving yourself with more people. The more people you allow to enter your life, the more pressure, the more you have to deal with their stuff, their anxieties, their situations. And now you forgot about your situations, and trust me, your situations, it ain't going nowhere until you deal with your demons. You handle yourself. You fight every demon that came across you when you lost your relationship. You cannot put someone else before you. Try to find yourself first, then put someone else before you. No, try to find yourself first, and that's it. Just stop putting people before you. And that's what happened when you was in a relationship, and that's why you're single today. You kept putting people before you, and that's the worst thing to do after a relationship, is to find a next relationship to jump into. You can be full of joy when you're single. Stop thinking you need to be in a relationship to make yourself happy. I know a lot of people that the only way I see them ever happy is when they find a new man. And it's so weird. Like, you have to be happy because there's a man involved. Why can't you be happy by yourself? Why can't you be happy when you wake up like, yes, I'm looking forward to a new day, to learn new things about me, and just, you know, pamper me. Everything is me, me, me. Yes, it's selfish, but it's the way we have to live in this generation. For you to level up, you have to put yourself first. Put God first, and then put yourself. Pamper yourself. Take yourself on nice dates. Buy yourself nice things. Yeah, you're in a relationship and you buy this man all these nice things, And then what happened when y'all break up? What happened to all the materialistic things? It didn't mean anything. Your money went down the drain when you could have been investing that into a boss move, you know. So try putting yourself first. It may be selfish. Forget your friends, forget anyone. Single life equals happy life. It is not supposed to be disastrous. Even if they treat you good, they're the best for you. You can teach yourself so that you're not dependent on the next person. That is the last thing I have written down. Teach yourself, treat yourself, love yourself. You are so worthy. If someone ever told you that you're worthless and they never told you how worthy you are, I'm gonna be the one to tell you how worthy you are. You are so beautiful. You are so welcoming to the next person's life. Move on from the people that hurt you. Did you know that people who hurt people wait, I forgot how it go. People who hurt people are hurt people. Something like that. If I'm wrong, comment down below, but I know where I'm coming from with this. But aren't you tired of being hurt? I am. And this is why I'm choosing my life. I am choosing to put myself before anyone. Anyone. God knows I've been craving for this. He knows I've been crying about it. He knows I've been praying about it. It is my time. It is my time. My age that I'm at right now, I am grown. I should be able to choose my happiness and not allow anyone to choose it for me. Not no parents, no more of the friends, no more of the family members. It's time for me to help me. I cannot help the next man. I can't do it. I cannot become the mother of a next man that I'm supposed to be in love with. Do you understand where that come from? Yeah, so you guys, I hope that this video was very touching and loving. If no one ever told you that they love you, I love you, God love you. And please don't forget to pray. Please don't forget to find yourself in every aspect that you can when you are single today. Don't jump into the next relationship because it's not worth it. But I'm gonna leave you guys off right there, and I hope that you are great and loving and teaching and all of that good stuff. I love you. Be great. And see you in my and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you in my next video.